Cucumber water, also known as infused cucumber water or cucumber-infused water, is made by adding slices of cucumber to a pitcher of water and letting it infuse for a few hours or overnight. The benefits of cucumber water are primarily attributed to the nutrients and antioxidants present in cucumbers. Here are some potential benefits. Hydration. Cucumber water is an excellent way to stay hydrated, especially for those who find plain water boring or unappealing. The mild flavor of cucumber can encourage people to drink more water, helping to maintain proper hydration levels. Nutrient-rich. Cucumbers are a good source of various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Drinking cucumber water allows you to infuse your water with these beneficial nutrients. Antioxidant properties. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, flavonoids, and tannins, which help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Reducing free radicals can contribute to overall health and may help in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Weight management. Cucumber water is low in calories and can be a healthier alternative to sugary beverages. Drinking cucumber water as part of a balanced diet may help with weight management and weight loss goals. Improved skin health. The silica present in cucumbers is beneficial for skin health and can help promote clear, glowing skin. Additionally, the hydration provided by cucumber water can contribute to maintaining skin elasticity and reducing dryness. Detoxification. Cucumber water is often associated with detoxifying properties due to its ability to help flush out toxins from the body. The high water content in cucumbers aids in the elimination of waste products and promotes better kidney function. Digestive benefits. Cucumbers are known for their natural fiber content, which can aid in digestion and help prevent constipation. Drinking cucumber water may support a healthy digestive system. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some compounds found in cucumbers, such as cucurbitacins and flavonoids, have anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming cucumber water may help reduce inflammation in the body. It's important to note that while cucumber water offers several potential benefits, it should not be considered a substitute for a well-balanced diet. Drinking cucumber water as part of a healthy lifestyle can be a refreshing and nutritious addition to your daily routine.